Alright, in this video we will learn to convert degrees into radians and radians into degrees. Alright, for this the main thing you need to understand is the conversion factor between radians and degrees. Just think about a unit circle will help you out. In fact, maybe I'll just draw the one line. When you look at the top half of a unit circle, hopefully you have learned that this is pi up here, alright? 0 to pi. If I'm going from here to here, I'm going from 0 over to pi, okay? So that's radians. Pi is this many radians. In degrees, that would be 180 degrees. That means 180 degrees, pi radians, must be the same thing. Alright, that makes the fraction 180 degrees over pi a conversion factor, because these are the same. So that means multiplying by 180 degrees over pi, or multiplying by pi over 180 degrees, that's like multiplying by 1, because these two things are the same. So the way I look at it, if I want to convert degrees into radians, okay, now I've already got degrees, alright, so this is 65 degrees. If I want to convert this to radians, and I have to decide, am I going to put 180 degrees in the top or the bottom? Well, I want to cancel out degrees, so I'm going to put 180 degrees in the bottom. That way degrees will cancel out. And of course up here I'll have pi radians. Now radians have no units, so I'm not going to write anything down. But sort of the absence of units means radians. So anyway, I'll put it this way. That way the degrees will cancel out, and when I have no units, then I know I have radians. And so then I just go ahead and do that out. So 600, so right now I've got 65 pi over 180. This is already radians, it's just a matter of simplifying it. So 65 over 180. Even with a 4-function calculator, you could just reduce. You could just start dividing these by 5 and such. But I'm going to trust that you can reduce 65 over 180. Okay, so that should simplify down to 13 over 36. Okay, so that's why I'm talking 13 pi over 36. Okay, 65 degrees is 13 pi over 36 radians. Now, going the other way, if I've got 5 pi over 12, alright, this is radians. Notice we don't put any units, it just is radians. So, I want degrees, so I'm going to put 180 degrees in the top. And I'll put my pi radians in the bottom. There are no units to cancel, but I'm putting my degrees in the top, so I will have units of degrees in the end. Now these pi's will cancel out though. Okay, so I won't have pi anymore. So it's just a matter of what's 5 times 180 divided by 12. That's all it is. And of course you could do that on a 4-function calculator. Alright, turns out to be 75. And again, the pi is gone. So this is going to be 75 degrees.